Hello, directions for the criteria table. Please open the attached workbook. So we have three separate sections: criteria range, bank account managers, and then extract area. So the first thing we need to do is select, because we're going to use a VLOOKUP, so we need to call out our cells here. So select I3 to J6, and in the name box I'm just going to type rating. And then I always like to double check to make sure it's selecting the right range. Perfect. And then in G8, I'm going to type rating. And now I'll select my range to be formatted as a table. So selecting A8 to G21, format as table, select anything you'd like. It should be A8 to G21, and make sure the check mark for my table has headers, and OK. And we're going to sort by branch, so A to Z. And then I'll go ahead and do my rating. And the rating is the VLOOKUP, so formulas, lookup and reference, VLOOKUP. And I want it to look at the rating, which is the supervisor review, and the table I called rating, and column 2 based on the number, poor, fair, good, or excellent. So I will choose column 2, and you can see that it was a 10, so it's excellent, and OK. And it fills all of them in. So we could sort. So basically I want to see how many have a specialty loan that's over $2 million. So I could go in here and choose only look at loans. Then I want to see anything that's over 2 million. So I would click here, and then in number filters, I would say greater than, equal to or greater to 2 million. And then click OK. So there's 3 that are specialty loans and over 2 million. So I can see my filter, but I don't see the rest of them. So I'm going to clear both filters. So those, you'll see those 3 again. So I'm going to clear, select, or I could choose clear the filter from there. It's no longer there, and do it as well from here. Clear the filter, and I have them all back. So what I'm going to do is I want to have the column headings in both criteria range and extract area. So I'm going to select A8 to G8, a basic Control C, click in A2, Control V, come down to A26, Control V. That way they have column headings. To get rid of that flashing marquee, just press Escape on your keyboard. So again, I want to see, under the specialty, I only want to see loans. And the value, I only want to see greater than, I could put greater than or equal to $2 million. And then click anywhere back in your bank account managers, and then from your data tab choose advanced, and it should show the A8 to G21, which is your table. And then what you want to do is select criteria range, and the criteria range, make sure you take row 2, is A2 all the way to G3. So that's your criteria range, and then based on what's here, loans over 2 million, it's going to affect our bank account managers when I click OK. So it pulled out just those 3. So if I want to clear that out, so there's the 3, and I want to clear those out, I'm just going to click clear. So how could I keep my original list, but also see them down here, the ones that are pulled out? So what we'll do is go right back to advanced, and we're going to make sure we click copy to another location, and it's still that same table based on the same criteria, and I'm going to copy it too. So I'll come down here, and I don't know how many are going to come. We know it's 3, but you could give yourself more space here. So it's A26 to G34, and then I'll click OK. And those same 3 are now here. So it doesn't affect my table. It's based on that criteria, which I could also change, and it shows down here. So that's criteria table. Thank you.